And the other day, when my garage door was closed and I came through this door right here, I saw a mouse running in the garage, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna probably came in through one of this corner right, that corner and that corner. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a mouse trap to get rid of this mouse right here. Mouse or mice, or there must be more than one mouse living in this garage right here. So all you need is just a 5-gallon bucket, a can, a soda can, but I'm using the Monster Energy can right here, long one. You can use a shorter one. And then what I did is like I removed the top and the bottom, okay? And then I got a piece of this wood right here. So I cut a piece of it just longer than the diameter of the bucket. So I use a drill bit right here, 3/4 drill bit. I drill. So I take a marker and I make sure it's center right here, and then I mark it this side and this side. I drill 2 holes. There's 1 hole on this side, 1 hole on this side, so I can fit that piece of wood in there. Now I need to do is just put this in. Okay, I'm gonna cut a piece of pool noodle right here. I'm gonna put on each on this side right here, so that keep the can center, so it won't roll to the just keep it center. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this right here, pool noodle. Okay. Now I'm going to zip tie the pool noodle. So the purpose of doing this is just to keep the can from sliding to one side like this. If it slides to one side like this, it's not good. We want it the can right in the center right here. Okay. Right there. All right, I think that should be good right here. All right, the moment of truth now. I'm gonna test out my trap, see how it works. I'm gonna fill the bucket so just enough water, so if a mouse get in there, it would get drowned. I think that's enough. All right, now I'm gonna put peanut butter right on the can right here. Oh, yummy! This is a chunky one. I think this is chunky peanut butter. I think right there. All right. Okay, I'm in my garage right now. I'm gonna have this light on, and I'm gonna have this GoPro. It's house, and then I put like 2 little round stick right here, so that the mouse can come up from the floor right there. And then I'm gonna spread a little peanut butter on the stick to attract them. So I'm gonna put a little bit of peanut butter right there, a little bit on the stick. All right, a little bit here, a little bit there, not too much. Just give them an incentive to get to this big one right here. Okay, that's it. And let's see if we can catch a mouse today, or maybe a couple mice. I'm anxious to find out if this trap will work or not. All right, let's. I got my GoPro set up already. This GoPro is about 90 92% right now. It should give us about 40 minutes of recording time. I'm gonna check in 40 minutes. I know there's at least one mouse in here, maybe more now. So let's hopefully we catch one. Okay, that's it. Well, let's go check the trap, the mouse trap. Let's see if we can catch anything. I see. Oh my goodness, I finally caught a mouse. This mouse trap does work. Look at that. Look at see, when I got on here, you can't hold on anymore. See the monster can spin. Look at that. Oh, caught one. Look at the, I put a little bit of peanut butter right here on the wood right here. This one, that one, he ate all of it, and then he decided to get some more right here, right on the, I put the peanut butter right on the middle of the can. So when I got on the can, is you know, the can is slippery, it started to spin. That's why he fell. And then I put a little water, you know, a little bit of water in the bucket right here, so I don't want him to jump out again. So they can jump really, really high, basically, and I got drowned, dead. One dead mouse. I don't know how many more in this garage right here. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be more. So got one. Hopefully I'm gonna just put it here, and then gonna add some more peanut butter right here to you know, entice the mouse. So, oh wow, this mouse trap actually worked. Oh, I'm so happy to get rid of this mouse. I've seen it a couple of times already in this garage. So finally I get rid of it. Yeah, I tried to film it. I tried to put a GoPro next to it last night, but somehow it ran out of battery. I probably had to go back, take a look if I capture anything, but it ran out of battery, and then I replaced another battery. I put it in, and then it ran out of battery again, and I didn't see a mouse in there. I come out to check 2 times last night, and well, so this morning right here, there's a proof that this mouse trap works. That's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something here. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.